Hello guys, welcome to Omema the food recipe store. Today's recipe is Malai chicken. It's very delicious and very easy to make in just few minutes with very few ingredients in your pantry. So let's get started with this recipe and do not forget to subscribe. So to begin with this recipe, I'm going to use boneless chicken half kg, which I've just cut them into chunks like this. Now to this I'm adding ginger garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of coarse black pepper powder. We'll give this a mix. And we'll let this rest for 30 minutes. Till the chicken is getting marinated for 30 minutes, we'll make our almond paste. I have soaked the almonds overnight. You can soak them for around 5 to 6 hours. After soaking the almonds, we are going to peel and remove the skin. We'll remove the skin of all the almonds. I'm using around 15 to 20 almonds. After peeling off all the almonds, I'm going to add this now in the mixer jar, and we're going to make a nice smooth paste. We'll just add a little dash of water. The almond smooth paste is ready over here. Now let's get started cooking. In a pan I'm going to add in some ghee. We'll add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is heated, we'll add in 2 bay leaves, 2 green cardamom, and 1 black cardamom, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. Now goes in the marinated chicken. We'll give this a nice mix. We'll just cook the chicken till it gets white in color. We'll not overcook or change the color of the chicken to brown. You can see the chicken has become white now. Now here I'm going to add in some salt. And 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. We'll give this a mix. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of milk. So here goes in 2 cups of milk. After adding the milk, I'm going to add in the almond paste. We'll give this a quick stir. And now we are going to cook this on low flame or low heat for around 10 to 15 minutes. And we'll cover this with the lid and let it get slowly cooked. It's been 7 to 8 minutes. We'll give this a quick stir. And this is already looking so yummy and so flavorful. We'll cover this again and slowly let it cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. Now the chicken is really cooked well. We'll open the lid and check. Now to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi. We'll just crush this. We'll give this a nice stir. And now just the last ingredient goes in some fresh cream, around just 2 to 3 tablespoons. We'll just cook this for a minute, and then this is absolutely ready and done. It's been a minute and now the chicken is absolutely ready. We'll turn off the heat, and this is just ready for serving. So here this delicious Malai chicken is just ready. Now to give this a final touch, I'm going to add in some simple tadka on this, for which I'm taking a small pan, and we'll just add in 1 tablespoon of ghee, and we'll heat up the ghee first. Once the ghee gets a little hot, I'm adding just a little bit of red chili powder and little of garam masala powder. We'll give this a mix, and we'll add this over the chicken, and this is just ready and done. So guys, I hope you like watching this recipe. It's a Punjabi creamy delight, so enjoy making this on your weekends and share with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe.